Hey guys, and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to access the Privacy Hub on Gemini AI. So let's begin. On any browser of your choice, type gemini.google.com and simply hit enter. Well, I have already signed in to my account, so if you have not, do sign in right now. You can sign up as well. The process is quite easy. You just need to create a Google account. So let's begin. Right here on the corner of our screen, if you have not already clicked on this button, that is the expand menu, I recommend you to click on it. From here you can see the name of this button more clearly. And now what we need to do to look at the Privacy Hub is click on Help. Let's click on this button. And at the top of this pop-up, you'll find something like Privacy Hub. Below the Privacy Hub, there are many options as well, such as updates, help, FAQs about Gemini Advanced as well. For now, we only want to look at the Privacy Hub, so let's click on this button, that is the Privacy Hub. And you will be redirected to a new page, that is the Gemini app's Privacy Hub. There are lots of contents here. You can find anything you search for. You can also describe your issue from this search box. And that's it, guys. That's how you go to Privacy Hub on Gemini AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for new content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.